The MUSETEX TW8 ATX mid-tower case comes pre-installed with 6 PWM ARGB fans, which is a fantastic value proposition. Make sure your motherboard has a 3-pin RGB header to take full advantage of the software-controlled lighting and the potential for 16.8 million colors. The PWM functionality allows for speed adjustments, balancing cooling performance with noise levels. The upgraded fan bearing should also contribute to a longer lifespan. I appreciate the easy disassembly for hassle-free hardware installation. One of the standout features is the magnetic tempered glass side door. It's not just aesthetically pleasing, but also functional, offering improved airflow compared to traditional closed cases. The easy access is a huge plus for quick component swaps or adjustments. The spacious interior accommodates most builds, with ample room for a 280mm AIO cooler up top. Cable management options are plentiful, and there's plenty of storage with support for multiple SSDs and HDDs. The MUSETEX TW8 offers flexibility for graphics card mounting, including vertical installation to showcase your GPU through the glass panel. The large mesh front panel maximizes airflow for optimal cooling. Overall, this case seems to tick a lot of boxes for a budget-conscious builder. The pre-installed ARGB fans, tempered glass side door, and spacious interior make it a compelling option. While we'll need to test its thermal performance in a full build, the MUSETEX TW8 appears to be a strong contender in the budget gaming case market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.